like a good place to take a break.
Adam, we don't have any water.
We don't have any water.
No,
Well, how are we supposed to get it?
I don't know.
Hey, look, there's some water over there. We should filter it.
Yeah.
When you're filtering water out, there are 5 things you need to consider that could be in the water, and each requires different types of equipment to filter out. The first 3 things are debris, bacteria, and parasites. All 3 of which can be handled by a filtration equipment, a simple filter that you just run the water through.
The second 2 things are viruses and chemicals. Viruses are a lot simpler to deal with. You just need to take your chemical tablets and you put them in your water and you let it filter out the viruses. Chemicals are a lot more scary and you need special equipment and you should not be having to deal with that. So the parts of our pump here, we have our classic filter that just takes out all the debris and this float thing that will keep it from touching the bottom.
Then the water gets piped into here into this actual filter here. Here's the pump. In here you can see the filter that the water goes through. This is what gets out the bacteria and viruses. Parasites. Okay.
That's okay.
And then it comes out here into this nice output nozzle that fits onto an Nalgene. Like this. Here's the shell.
So.
The process is at the chemical purifier to kill the microbes in here. So you just put it in, shake it up and let it dissolve. Make sure to read the instructions before doing it. Or say after you add it, you need to wait 30 minutes before drinking, and that's very important because if you drink it before then, there's a chance that some of the microorganisms still living in here haven't been deactivated by the chemicals yet, and that's not good for your health. Yeah, once this is done, you're free to drink it. That's how you filter water.
Right, so after you pump out your water, you want to make sure that you take your pump and you push it out and wait till all the water comes out. And then read your manufacturer's manual to figure out how to properly clean and get rid of everything left over.
So you can use it on your next trip.
So remember, before you go hiking, always read about where you're going so that way you know what to watch out for.
But it's always safe practice to over-treat your water because it can't hurt. So we always filter and do chemical, even if when we look beforehand, we don't need both.